So, let's start from the back. This is the old house. Na-tiles na siya. Nilalagay na yung salamin dito. And the door. Hindi mo na ginagawin sa hagdan. They'll do it kasi dinadaanan ng tao. These are the two new rooms downstairs. That and that. Ito ay may tiles na. This has no tiles yet. Yan. Wala pa yung kusina. Maybe the last thing that we'll do. Pero basically, alam na natin ang layout. And this is the junction between the old house and the new house. Tiles na yung dugtungan. Tiles na rin throughout. The roof. Napakarami pang gagawin. At least na-tiles na siya. Finishing. Pintura. A bit of retouch. Yeah. And ginagawa na yung balustre. It'll be done on Monday. Yeah. That's the door. Medyo madilim ang pagka-varnish ng gumawa. And it's not perfect. They will redo it tomorrow. Medyo dark. Everyone is asking where the swimming pool is. I said, ewan ko kung may swimming pool. Ito, ginagawa na yung sa harapan. They're starting to do the pathway, the steps to the front. Yan. Nothing much changed in front. It's in the old picture. So yeah, that's how it is. Hopefully another month will make a big change. Okay, thank you.